me, Joe, jack of all trade, everyday dude doing stuff. So we got a busted tent right here. Anybody have these little tents? If you leave that sun gun outside, something go wrong, a hard wind come, once it get pinched like this, you can't fold it up and down like you want to. So pretty much this is destroyed, but not so fast. So if you look right here, you take this cap off, and I've figured out how to fix it. So I got one right here that's busted. Let's get down in here for a better view. And I tried to tape that rascal up, glue it, and that wasn't no happiness. So you take this top cap off, like I've already taken off on the other one. Pop it off, and it accesses the top of the slide so that this can slide out of this little groove right here. This little groove right here, it slides in and out of that, but the pins here cap it in so you can't get it out. I'll show you that in just a second. So you need a flathead screwdriver, rusty tools, y'all, I'll be ashamed, huh? And a Allen wrench, don't know what number that is, but we need that Allen wrench, we need this flathead screwdriver to get this out of here. So you get down in here and pry this up. Working with my left hand, y'all, because I didn't set up my cameras. I was just outside, and I said I'll show somebody how to do this in case they end up with the same problem. So you just work in here, get this cap open. Not that hard, y'all, really. Trying to, probably ain't got the camera all that steady, but it's all good. So you see these little spider legs right here, they go down, and that groove I showed you on that other one, they go down in and they keep this from sliding out. See that? So that slides into that groove when everything is good to go. All right, so we get that out of there, and I've already taken off where this was connected right here with the little Allen wrench, but it's not that hard to do. So when you do that, you can pull this up to you, and then you can get to the other two Allen wrenches, and you just need to take out one. You take your little Allen wrench, and you want to get that out. It's got like a little self-locking screw on the other side. Once again, the one-handed bandit. Probably ain't real professional, but y'all get the idea. Alright, so get that out of there, and then you can just pull this out, or let it fall down there like I just did. Get away from me then. Oh, cameraman. Alright, so anyway, we pull that out of there, and then we got a replacement. What I do with it? Oh, folks, you said if it was a snake, it would have bit you. Right here the whole time, y'all. Now, what we have to have, and I must have lost it, right here. That thing will try to get away from you. Alright, so this goes in the top, through there, and that's what this is going to lock into up here like I was trying to show you. So this goes here, and in between this groove, let me see if I can't get that to nestle back in there, and boom boom. If I can do it with my left hand, one-handed bandit, I know you can. So that goes in there, and then that cap gets reinstalled to hold it all in place. This dude right here, put him back on just like you got him on, and so that's gonna hold everything in place. It should hold this in place. Don't want to go. Oh, even. I'll put that wasn't all the way back. Now, we're good. If it won't go, don't force it. Something ain't right. Alright, so what we need to do now is get this other piece connected down here. and then the other piece that goes to this will come up in the middle. All right. So let me see. I don't know that I can make all that happen. Let's reach down in here. Okay, get this. And we want to get this. And this has to go with this at the bottom. That's going to have to go to that. And then this other leg here has to come up to this. And so I'm going to put the screws and all that, and y'all, we will be repaired. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got everything lined up, and all you have to do, you got to make sure that these little nips sticking out right here are not butted up against each other. So I had this in, I guess, backwards. So I just took the cap off, flipped it around, and I was able to hook those up. And then you just tighten that. You don't want to over tighten it. You want just a little bit of slack in there. And sometimes if it seems like you are beginning to get a little too much slack in your tent, you might do a little tent maintenance, go through there and tighten everything up. Now working on this piece down here, that was a little bit of a challenge because it wasn't, you look at the rest of them, they kind of lined up across like that, and so when it was coming straight down, wouldn't go in there. So I had to line that up and then just tighten that. And so now we have a repaired tent, and I don't know if I will need more parts off of this in the future. So should I chuck it? Should I keep it if I have room to keep it to repair my other tents? I have 3 tents that are the same size, so maybe I need to hold on to that. Tell me what you think about that in your comments. The joke is out. This is how you repair your little easy shade tent. Save yourself $100, $140 depending on where you live. Peace.